Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to move files in Google Drive. So you can move files to a different folder in Google Drive from the web, Android, or iPhone. So on computer, open Google Drive, then right click the file you want to move. So once you right click on it, so look for organize. So hover over to organize, then from the option select move, click on that. Next, then from here, select the folder. So select the destination folder and click move to confirm the action. So click on that. So just a tip, you can also drag and drop a file into another folder from the left sidebar or within My Drive. Next, if you're using Android or iPhone, you can open the Google Drive app. Then you can tap the three dot next to the file, then tap move, then choose the destination folder, then tap move here or move, and that's it. So if you want to move multiple files at once, you can hold Control on Windows or Command on Mac while selecting multiple files. So let's do that. Let's click Control and select the files. So just like so. So if you're using mobile, you can touch and hold the file to select it, then select additional files if available, then tap move. So once you've selected all those files, at the top, you can click this folder right here that says move. Then choose the destination folder and click move. And that's it. So those videos or files will be moved to that specific folder. Now, if you can't move a file, you may not have editor permission for the file, or the file could be in a shared drive with restricted move permissions, or you might be trying to move a shortcut instead of the original file. And that's it. Thank you for watching.